Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a cute Celeste from Animal Crossing. We're going to start off with her little eyes first. Just to start off, we're going to go on the right side and draw this oval for her first eye right here. And we're going to add in the star shape because Celeste has these star eyes. We're going to just go and draw these lines, curved lines, 4 of them to add a 4-pointed star. And once you have that eye done, we're going to actually draw the beak before we draw the other eye. So for the beak, we're going to go from the center right around here. And we're going to draw a curved line out. And then we're going to curve it back up and down for the top of the beak. And for the bottom, we just want to connect it like that. And then we're going to add a little line and go back up for the bottom of the beak. And let's just add in a little tongue right there. With that eye done, we're going to draw the other eye behind it. So you want to start right in the middle of the beak right here. And we're going to go up to that point and draw in the eye. Using the guidelines, I'm going to draw in the eye right there. Just adding more ink on that one. And then we're going to do the same thing for the eyes. We're going to add in the 4-pointed star right there. With the 2 eyes complete, we could draw in the head shape before we draw anything else. For the head shape, we're going to just go a little bit to the left, right above the eye, up around here, and we're going to go down to this point right below. So these 2 points, we're going to draw in this rounded shape. And on this side, we're going to go further back. Because she has her head turned, we're going to go a little further back and go to around this point. So same line, just a little further back. And this is the back of the head. With that done, we could draw in her main detail, which is this owl looking detail. So from the middle around here, we're going to go up and connect it this point. And we're going to do the same thing and connect it this point from around the middle of the nose all the way here. For this detail, we just need to do 3 little fingers. 1, 2, 3. Same thing on this side. We're going to go up 1, 2, 3. And we're going to go down to around this point for both of them. Go down here. And then go down here. And you can see the line leading to this side. We're just going to complete the circle. So starting from here, we're going to go all the way across. Almost as if it's completing the line. And let's just draw in the bow on the back. Really simple. Just go from here and go down to the center. From here and go back up all the way down around to this point. Her face is almost complete. We just need to add in the white of the face. So starting from here, we're going to go all the way down to around the bottom of the beak, following the outside line. So we're going to go out, follow the outside line, and go towards the center. And we repeat the same thing on the other side, but since it's turned, her head is a little turned, we could just hit the cheek and then go all the way down from this point to the bottom. That's gonna be her head. And then she has these nice blush marks, which is just gonna be these ovals. Right below the eye to the right, we're just gonna draw 1 oval. And on this side, we're going to draw in the second oval. Really cute face. Oh, I forgot some details. So we're just going to draw these little circles right on here because she has this detail. Maybe we just need 4. We don't have to add all of them. Just enough detail to indicate that it is Celeste. With those done, we could draw in the rest of the body. So from the neck down, we're going to go just a little down. And we're going to go all the way around to this point. And draw in her little body right there to start. And let's draw in the first wing. Right from the bottom of the body, we're going to go up around this point and just give it 1, 2, 3 fingers. Super easy. And on this side, we're going to go from the center of the body right here, go down. And we're going to give it 3 fingers again. 1, 2, 3. And connect it to the head. Let's just connect the body to this wing. With that done, let's detail the wings. She just has a simple detail. We're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, and right between them, 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna repeat this right on the other side. Same thing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. With both wings done, let's do the belly detail, which is just this crisscross pattern. Super simple. We're going to start with the circle. With the circle done, we're just going to draw in some diagonal lines, starting from the center. 1, 2, 3, and then one more on top. And we're going to repeat this, but on the other side. We're going to go 1, 2. I don't think we need a third one there, so we're just going to do it down here. And that's the crisscross pattern in her belly. And Celeste just needs her little web feet, so we're just going to do little 2 lines right here to start. And we're just going to give her 1 toe, 2 toe, and a 3rd toe to start. And we're going to repeat that on the other side a little longer. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. And let's just give in the toe details. 3 each, and then some lines for her leg detail. Since Celeste likes to collect stars on the beach, we're gonna actually draw in the beach detail. So we're gonna go from the belly and we're drawing some sand, so it's just gonna be a simple shape. Curve it, go back up, and curve back up to our body. And let's draw in a cute little seashell. Super simple, just a circle and a little seashell detail and some lines to complete the first seashell. The second one, we're just going to start with a circle. We're going to draw some lines in. 1, 2, 3. And for this one, we're just going to do the longer one. So we're just going to add a long line down the middle, and a little notch. And I'm going to put in some sand details. There's just going to be some dots for the sand detail. Once the sand is done, let's add in the little stars. We're just going to draw a few. We're going to start with a small one right here. For the star, we're just going to do 1 point, 2 point, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to repeat the star various sizes all around her. Let's fill the sky with stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do one more right here. I'll let you complete your stars, and we can move forward with the ones on the left. Feel like one down here. And let's do 2 more up here. Let's do a big one. She's reaching for a big, cute star. And a little one right behind it. And there you have it. A cute Celeste drawing reaching for the stars on the beach. I'm gonna add some color real quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you have suggestions for other drawings, please leave it in the comments down below. And if you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.